I am about to give you one of my most popular bonuses for a truly ridiculous price. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Xmas Traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Henry. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I'm one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now, feel free to skip ahead. Yeah, my jokes can be pretty stale, but they're my jokes, so I use them anyway. Deal with it. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would this, which I think you might ask, well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, you know what? I don't know what your obsession is with this crap, but nobody else wants it. Okay, seriously, these people don't want it. Nobody wants it. Okay, so keep it to yourself. Anyhow, if you are new, the way things work, if I like a product, well, give it tip my ad to product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. You see, Liz, she used to be my fellow New Yorker. I now live in New York. I actually am now a full-time resident of a beautiful small town here in Western Pennsylvania. We actually just had the most amazing Christmas extravaganza weekend here. It was really cool. So many vendors out with like all kind of different things. I actually picked up a few things for the house, even though I happen to be Jewish. I do love Christmas. I think it's a beautiful holiday, and so I had a blast. They had a live band. They had a petting zoo for the kids. There were even carriage rides, and there was also a Christmas parade going right by my house. I gotta tell you something. You know, the fact that I'm able to live here is truly, truly a blessing, and it's only because of the fact that I've been able to build a business that really does make a full-time living for me and for my fiance. And that's why I really do try to make sure that I give you something that is so incredibly valuable because of that. So I'm sorry to get off on a tangent, but I'm just super excited because I really do love where I live now. And I think you will be super excited about this. Let's get right into this. I'm going to tell you all about it in Xmas Traffic. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Xmas Traffic. Now, this is from my friend Dawood Islam. Dawood has become kind of obsessed with finding alternative methods of traffic. And so he's actually come up with 3 different places to drive traffic from. And these are all opportunities, places that you can get people who are interested in making money online, interested in building a business online. That's all these people want to do. And you can market to them, offer them something good. I recommend using a free offer, and we're going to get to something in just a minute that's going to really help you out with that quite a little bit. I recommend that, but I also want to tell you about my own bonus. So I personally just spent, I mentioned this about a month or 2 ago. I had spent over $7,000 on solo ads, getting high-end leads. I've just invested even more money and got even more leads. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to allow you to send your offers to my leads. So I think it's about somewhere between 3,000 to 4,000. I forget exactly because it's constantly, people getting added and people going away. So 3,000 or 4,000 leads that I'm going to allow you to mail. These are all BizUp leads. People are interested in making money online that are high quality leads because I paid for really high end solo ads. I didn't pay for the junk solo ads. You can buy junky solo ads for like 20 cents a click or something. And I spent a small fortune on my solo ads. I said I spent over $7,000 the first time, spent even more money on my second package of solo ads. I've added, I think about 500 or 600 new leads from the second package. I did a smaller purchase this time because I wanted to test out a couple different high-end solo ad providers. And so I did a smaller purchase for the second solo provider. So basically what I'm going to do for you is like this. Pick up Xmas Traffic from me, and it's going to be $9.95, by the way. I'm going to show you how to get that price in just a moment. If you look at the regular sales page, it says $12.95. I'll show you in just a moment how to get it for $9.95. I'm going to let you mail all of my over 3,500 3,500, 4,000 leads, whatever it is, I'm going to let you send an offer to them. I'm not just going to let you send an offer to them. I'm also going to give you an offer to give to them if you want something that would actually convert really well. So what I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you 3 of my own products that you can go ahead and give away as a free bonus. Okay, you just and these are PLR. You have the right to sell them, give them away using the bonus. Okay, you're going to get 3 of my own courses that you're going to be able to give away as a bonus. There's no opt-in from my end, by the way. So these are going to be yours only. Okay, you're going to be able to give these things away, and I'm also going to give you my own custom squeeze page, which you can use as well. Use this free software, so you can use that as well in order to access everything as well. So you're going to get all of that from me for $9.95. That's a really, really insane price. Now, I do want to show you the members area real quick. There's nothing much really here to see, because if you look at the main training here, basically he'll tell you about this, and basically it's going to say, okay, go ahead and submit your URLs. That's pretty much it. He does have a couple of other things that are included here, where you're going to get triple traffic and traffic time and place your link and all these things. That's basically what he's telling you about. He's going to give you all the access to all these different things for $9.95. Okay, and that's pretty much all there is here. There's nothing really to do except for send in your URLs so that you can actually start building a list, making money off of it. Okay, now I do want to show you how to get the price at $9.95. Let me show you real quick down here. I can scroll all the way down. 1 second. Wait. Here we go. Nope, further down. Okay. 1 second. Here we go. $12.95. I'm going to show you how to get for $9.95, and that's cutting my commissions, but I don't care. I want you to save some money for Christmas. So here's the deal. Basically, when you try to exit, it's going to pop up this little thing that you're going to get a discount. Go ahead and click the discount, and you're going to get for $9.95 instead of paying the regular price of $12.95. So this is a special price. You can only get it by doing that. So you're going to get it for $9.95 by picking it up and using the discount price that you're getting here, the $9.95 price. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give it to
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
That's a product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, you demand. I really like this. This is super easy to get traffic from. All you got to do is send them a link to send traffic to. I'm going to give you a bonus you can give away. I'm going to give you my squeeze page that you can use to collect these leads. So it's literally just go ahead and use it and make some money. Grab this, you're going to love it.